A very warm welcome to the Daily Crypto Vision. Jan Robert Schutte of Crypto Academy. We see that the market is consolidating a little bit after the sell-off of last days. Here we see on coin market cap actually that the BTC dominance is now hovering around 64%. That means that Bitcoin is a little bit better performing than most alts, and the total market cap is now standing at $255 billion more or less, and the Bitcoin hovering around 88,900, Ethereum 236, and also XRP 0.24 cents, and Bitcoin Cash a little bit higher, 5.8%. Bitcoin status vision also 4% higher, is quite okay. And yeah, most of the altcoins are consolidating and also recovering from their steep losses. Chainlink is a big plus. And on the news basis, there we see that Hong Kong and Abu Dhabi are changing crypto regulation to align with FATF, and that is against terrorism and money laundering. And on February 26th, it was yesterday, Hong Kong's Financial Secretary Paul Chen said that his administration will strengthen its anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing, so-called CTF policies regarding cryptocurrencies. And in his recent budget speech, Chan indicated the amendment will address recommendations made by global financial watchdog, the Financial Action Task Force, FATF. And the FATF assessed that Hong Kong was largely compliant with its AML CTF guidelines following a September 2019 evaluation. And as assessment saw Hong Kong become the first jurisdiction in the Asia Pacific region to pass the FATF's appraisal, and the proposed change to Hong Kong's AML CTF policies have been put forward as part of the government's 2021 budget and will be passed into law following a period of public consultation. Chen indicated the amendments will predominantly affect cryptocurrency exchanges and remittance service providers, so like Western Union and also MoneyGram, these kind of offices, adding that detailed proposal will be published later this year. And dealers in precious metals, stones, and jewelry will also be brought under the new AML CTF framework. And on February 24, the Financial Services Regulatory Authority, one of the three regulators overseeing the Abu Dhabi global market, the ADGM, announced amendments to its crypto regulations. The changes include changing the term crypto asset to virtual asset to align with FATF vocabulary. And the ADGM will also expand its regulatory category of operating and crypto asset business to address other regulated activities that relate to crypto businesses, including custody service, operating a trading facility, and dealing in investments. And Abu Dhabi and Hong Kong comprise the latest jurisdictions to update their crypto regulations in response to recent FAFT directives following South Korea, Singapore, and Switzerland. And if we take a look at the markets, there we see the BTC on the weekly basis, based on the trade navigator. Still, there is a buy arrow, but the recent sell-off touched the smaller and the slower sloping moving average around 8,500 support area, and the stop loss is here actually at 8,139. So it's shy of this support area, and if the market will sell off more, then we will get a sell or a close sell, actually a sell signal from the Trade Navigator. If you would like to know something more about Trade Navigator, go to our website and you can see the banner of the Trade Navigator. To the upside, 10,000 is a very stiff resistance area, and to the downside 8,500, so it's more or less 15% to the upside still, and to the downside it's a range of more or less 15%. It's quite a lot, but anyway, cryptos are trading in a volatile way, of course, as you know. And if you would like to see more information, go to our website, cryptoacademy.nl, also to our social media channels. Wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Bye.